I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for the Fall Wreath Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Denise Glam Style Living, At Home with Lisa, Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, Sonia Down South, Jean Home Decor and more, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. Be sure to check out these channels, they'll be listed below, as well as any other participating channels. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is my fall wreath, and I'm going to be refreshing this fall wreath today and dressing it up a little bit for the new season. The first thing I want to do to dress up my wreath is add a new bow. Some lovely, beautiful yellow sunflowers will be the perfect addition to dress up this fall wreath. More beautiful flowers to tie in with the sunflowers. Because this wreath is inside my home in my entryway, I can add these wonderful cardboard leaves that I purchased at a winery in Germany. And on each one, I have a message for all of my family members. I'll tuck these right into the wreath so that they can see the message when they come in. This is the perfect way to greet my family members when they come to visit, letting them know that I'm so thankful for them. This wreath looks so much better dressed up for the new season. I'm so happy that I was able to put this together and it didn't take me any time at all. I am so happy you were here. I had such a wonderful time participating in the Fall Wreath Collaboration. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all of the participating channels listed below. We would love to have you join us in any of these collaborations. And a very special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY for putting together these wonderful, fun collaborations. I'll see you next time.